Now let's check the AI use cases and applications. So we keep hearing about AI all the time in the news, in memes, and definitely in tech circles. But let's be real. Do most people even know where AI is actually used? So this module isn't about what AI can do in theory. It's about what AI is already doing out there in the real world. So you'll be surprised how much of your life AI is quietly running in the background. So, starting with the daily life. So, let's start with our home and most closely your phone. So, when you open Instagram or TikTok and it magically shows you the exact kind of videos that you like. So, that's AI learning your behavior. Now, your voice assistant like your Alexa, Siri, or Google, that's the natural language processing in action. It understands what you're saying, filters the noise, and gives you meaningful responses. Even things like autocorrect, Google Translation, or face recognition to unlock your phone. It's all AI. Now, the next one is AI in healthcare. So, now imagine this you walk into a hospital and an AI system looks at your chest scan and flags early stage cancer. So, that's not the future, that's already happening now. So, AI can analyze thousands of medical records, images, and even genetic data faster than any human. And it's already helping doctors in diagnosis, treatment planning, and predicting the patient's risk. So there are AI models that can detect the diabetic retinopathy from just eye scans. So others predict whether a patient might end up in the ICU hours before symptoms even show. So in short, AI isn't replacing doctors, it's becoming their most powerful assistant. Now let's talk about AI in banking and finance. So let's talk about money. So if your bank ever froze your card because of a suspicious activity, that's the AI working to detect fraud in real time. So AI models study millions of transactions and recognize patterns, where you usually spend, how much, and when. So a sudden international purchase at 3 a.m., AI flags it instantly. So it's also helping the banks approve loans, detect risk, and also personalize offers. And in investments, AI powered trading bots are making lightning fast decisions way faster than any human trader. Now let's talk about AI in retail, commerce, and e commerce. So, AI is transforming how we shop both online and offline. So, in retail, it's used to predict what products will sell, manage stock, and even optimize the store layouts using the customer moment data. And in e commerce, AI tracks your clicks, searches, and purchase the history to recommend exactly what you're likely to buy next. And ever noticed how the prices change when you revisit a product? That's dynamic pricing, AI at work. And now, the customer service, the chatbots today can handle queries like real humans 24 by 7. So, whether it's the Amazon suggesting the next thing that you love or the fashion site adjusting what it shows you, AI is quietly personalizing your entire shopping experience. Now let's talk about AI in cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is another area where AI is low-key a superhero. So it watches over the network traffic, it spots weird behaviors and acts faster than a human team could ever react. So imagine a hacker trying to access the sensitive data. The AI system already knows what normal user activity looks like. And this one's way off. Now, boom, it sends an alert and the access is completely blocked. So, in an age of growing cyber threats, AI is like having a 24 by 7 digital bodyguard that doesn't even blink. Now, let's talk about AI in autonomous tech and smart cities. So, self driving cars rely on AI for everything, recognizing the pedestrians, reading the road signs, and even making split end driving decisions. So, beyond cars, cities are getting smarter too. So, AI manages the traffic signals dynamically to reduce the congestion. And also in farming, AI drones monitor the crops, soil, as well as pests. Now, basically, AI is helping us move towards a world that's much faster, safer, and much efficient. Now, let's talk about the creative and future applications of AI. So, this is kind of like the creative side of AI. So, it can generate music, art, code, stories, and even deep fake videos. So, some people love it, others are scared, and honestly, this both feelings are kind of valid. So, but the point is, AI isn't just a tool anymore. So, it's becoming a co creator, a decision maker, and even a partner in innovation. So, when people ask where AI is used, the real question should be where is it not? So, from the moment you wake up to the minute you go to sleep, whether you're shopping, traveling, watching, learning, or even working, AI is touching nearly every part of our life.